Before I go gung-ho, I have a coffee maker. I'm going to do my best to show you up close. As you can see over here, inside it's the same color, dark. Disgusting, isn't it? How do we clean it? I don't know. Vinegar was used. That's the way you clean coffee makers. But vinegar didn't clean it. I gotta put a little bit of bleach in it. It'll sterilize it, but I gotta make sure I get it out. I got here is a steamer. And this steamer should be able to get in there and do hot water steam. But this is the gung-ho, a pressure washer. I'm gonna get in there and it's gonna get it away and take all the stains away. 1500 PSI. I don't think that's got PSI. I'm on the highest settings. I guess I'll just turn the switch on. It's green. I gotta wait. This is gonna get hot to handle. It's tight enough to hold on. It may take a minute or two. Standby switch, not heating up. Ooh, there we go. You heard it. Now you hear it. There's the steam. Look at that. Let's open up this bad boy here. Steam this bad boy clean. If that can't get the insides clean, what's going to get it clean? I have to take the scrub brush and scrub-a-dub-dub. I don't got all day to sit here and scrub it clean. Oh yeah, scrub-a-dub-dub, I'm scrubbing away just like any other day. Let me shut this off because I got a problem. I got a loose handle now. Woo, this bad boy is hot. I'm gonna put this to the side. I smell coffee. I'm gonna grab my little wrench and tighten up. I'll start all over again. Steaming. Ooh, man. Can't you see that? Stop, stop, stop. Empty, empty, empty. This here is powerful stuff right here. And I'm going to pour it into my container. Don't want to get it on me. Let's continue on. Almost clean. Here we go. Don't want to get in your eyes. Don't want to breathe it in either. Well, I did my job. I did what I was told. I got a nice clean coffee maker. Do this once in a blue moon. Next time I get to the store, we'll change it on out. And that's what you do. If you let things go too long, you got to change things out. Well, I can't get my hands in here to clean the grut right here. Can only get down so far. Look at the dirt that's in there. Well, yeah, I know what to do. Put a towel on here, bring it on down. Grab something that you got and clean. Acts as a hand that you can't get to. That's right. You can like it or hate it. Beautiful, man. Can you see that inside? See how nice and clean it is now? What did I call this before? I didn't need to use a pressure washer to get in there because that's what you would have used. I used a steamer. Yeah, didn't you like my show in like 2015 or so of steamer? Yeah, man, did a good job. I hope you enjoyed this video. It helps get the job done with the tools that you have and do it the right way. What we're going to do now is put some vinegar, heat it up, let this dry first, then put some vinegar, heat it up, and off we go. What a hesitation, man. I'm not doing anything else to my camera. I got to put everything back. That's what happens when you're budget-wise, man. I'll get on you sooner or later. One day, my friend, we'll get on out there. Let's make sure everything looks good. Yeah. All right. So this way, when I pull in, nothing hits. There you go. Make sure this goes up. There you go, man. Put everything away. And have a great day. I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next one.